What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna apply the Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Coating to this amazing white Mercedes. If you got a white car and you wanna keep that white fresh and bright, this is the best ceramic coating to choose for your vehicle. Now, the Evolution Ceramic Coating is easy on, easy off, and it delivers high quality shine and protection. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it today and show you that this is the easiest ceramic coating that you can apply at home. Get professional results right at home in your garage. So the first thing I'm gonna do is shake up my Evolution Ceramic Coating, and then I'm gonna spray 2 sprays on the applicator pad. 2-3 sprays is all you really need, and then we're gonna go ahead and spread it right on the paint. This is how easy it is to apply ceramic coating. All you gotta do is wash the vehicle first and then go ahead and apply the ceramic coating right to the car. You spread it on and it gives a nice even finish. You don't need to worry about over applying the product or high spots or low spots. This Masterson's Evolution Coating Formula, easiest product to use for any type of vehicle. So once it's on the surface, all we gotta do is let it dry for just a few seconds, and then we're gonna take a microfiber towel and we're gonna buff it off. And check out the shine that we're getting on this white paint. I love when white paint shines. This brings out the metallic, it brings out the gloss, and it feels so smooth. This paint just feels like glass with the Evolution Ceramic Coating. So if you got a white car, or you got any type of vehicle, and you want an easy to use application that gives professional results right at home, go ahead and pick up the Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Coating. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all the videos that we have right here on our YouTube channel and click that subscribe button, and visit our website, mastersonswax.com, for all your best detailing products. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.